Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to remove noise and artifacts from photos using Remini. So to do that, open your Remini application. So select a photo that you want to remove the noise and artifacts. So at this point I'll select this photo here. So after selecting it, come and tap on enhance. So basically, using Remini, you can enhance a photo to make it of a good quality, or even to remove noise and artifacts like what I'm doing right now. Or you can create an AI generated photo, or you can create an AI generated cartoon. All right, so those are the basic three things you can do using Remini. So guys, as you can see, I have removed the noise and artifacts. This is how it looks like after. This is how it looks like before. All right, so the next thing is to come to first beautifier here. Then you wait for it to apply. It takes just a few seconds, as you can see. So, and it's boom guys, we are good to go. So we have removed noise and artifacts from this photo. All right, so those are the procedures and steps you need to follow you yourself. So thank you for watching. We shall meet in the next video.